Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to animate textures in Blockbench. Texture animation is useful for effects like blinking lights or flowing visuals. The simplest way to do this is by using flipbook animation. First, go to the Textures panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Right-click your texture and select Flipbook Animation. In this window, click Add Frame to add texture frames for the animation. Once you're done, click Apply. Next, right-click the texture again and select Edit in Blockbench. In the Images panel on the right-hand side, select the first frame. Use the Selection tool in the toolbar, select the entire texture, and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Switch to the second frame and paste the copied texture. Now repaint the part you want to animate. In this example, we'll animate the eyes moving from left to right. After editing the texture, make sure to save it. Return to your project, press F on your keyboard, and search for Play Animated Textures. Once enabled, you'll see the texture animation play in the viewport. And that's how to animate textures in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.